But the question is, like, why us? Why has the human animal been able to do this and no other animal has done anything even remotely similar?
Well, I think that goes back to my advisor's insight. The idea that once human beings become their own primary competitor, the primary dictator of the success of a population is how it does against another population that is similarly equipped. That arms race produces incredible problem-solving capability. It's why our craniums were expanded as they were, why our raw processing power is so large compared to our next nearest relative.